Guys, today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Flow app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on settings, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go up of here. Then you click here on apps. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down. You keep going down here to find flow up, so you just keep going down here, then you click here on flow and you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on for stop, you click here on OK. So then you go down, you click here on storage, you come to this list here, you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, just turn on your Wi-Fi, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.